so this area will still be matte. Everything else will be nice gloss, and with the extra LED here, it's a super nice look. They're a bit pricey from OEM, from Subaru, but you can find them on eBay, and you can find some aftermarket solutions that are like near identical for half the price. I did get the Subaru one, and gonna attempt the installation now, so let's see how it goes. And first and foremost, let's do a nice unboxing here. So very nice packaging. I was very impressed with that. Have a look here. It's got very nice padding here on the sides. We've got some fasteners. There's some foam pads that will be cut to protect the wires, and a little harness here with a fuse, I believe. Now let's have a look at one of these pieces. I'll show you it, and then I'll get to the installation. Now this paper, it's kind of double-sided and it's very soft. The other side of it here feels kind of more like felt, not harsh paper, and that's probably to protect the glossiness of the part, because I bet that can get scratched pretty easily. Shake this off, and I'm gonna put it nicely here. So there you go. And I haven't seen many videos where they really focus on this nicely, and it shows much nicer in real life. It's really hard to show the gloss properly, but you can see here what big of a difference there is between this part here, which is the glossy, and again, this is the crystal black silica paint coat from Subaru. You can see what kind of a difference there is between this and this right here, this non-painted part. So this is the part, and you can see these hexagons are a little smaller than this original part, and you can kind of see how they compare. There's the one, there's the other, and let's get started with the install. Alright guys, so I'm here installing the Sport Grille. So this is going to be a gloss black Sport Grille to match the LED fog lights right there, which are also gloss black. You can see how nice they shine, so a really cool look. And this grille is going to be replacing this one that's the original OEM. And now this new one is also OEM, also coming from Japan, I believe. And gloss black with a tighter hexagonal pattern. So let's check it out. Let's take it out. Take a look. Awesome. All right, so I'll place it here. So there you go, and I'll go back to regular zoom just so that you can see it perfectly. So you can see exactly the difference between the two. And again, it's got the same gloss and speckle, metallic speckle as the fog light cover right here. This one also has it a little bit, but obviously it's a different color, a different shade. So this one matches perfectly. It's the same color code exactly as the fog light covers. And I think you can imagine it already on there in the grill, looking really, really good, really sharp. So let's have a look. I'm just gonna fully install it and see what it looks like. And it's a very easy clipping in process. Just 12 claws, 6 on the top, 6 on the bottom, and there's 6 screws, 3 on the side, 3 on the other side. I'll install those in just a minute. They secure the whole thing, but right now it's basically all in, and you can see just how nice it looks. And my issue from before is the LED fog light covers didn't quite match with, you know, the texture and overall color of the grille. And so we have this like matte black and gloss black, and then another color, and then the red. So it's just a bit too much, and I think this is perfect. And I think if you're debating whether to get the fog lights or the grille, get the grille first. It's cheaper and it makes more of a statement. But if you then get the LED fog light covers, I think that's something to work towards. Whichever one you would get, you'd probably want to get the other, and I think that's such a nice complete look. Awesome. All right, so I'm gonna hitch this back onto the car, and we'll see what it looks right after. So this is the finished product, and I'm quite happy with it. And you can see here the color a bit better, how the red color complements the black, crystal black silica color. And you can see it also on the LED housing, the fog light housing. The crystal black finish is glossy and significantly better, and improves the look, and I think makes it look more premium. Now you can see here a little closer, not sure how easy it is to tell from the camera on the video, but there are 5 LED lights in here. I believe it's 4 or 5, and they're separated and they cast a light. Now the light is not too bright. It's mainly for others to see you and to kind of see the accent on the car, but it won't really cast a nice light like the fog light will. So the fog light is still there, and you can see that it's separately operated. One thing to note about this LED accessory, this LED housing, is that if you install it, these side lights will be on all the time. When the car is on, they're on as well. From there we can turn on the main lights, and we can turn on the fog light separately, which I'll show right now. But otherwise, do keep in mind, this part stays on all the time. You can see here from the front view, that's a killer angle. I really love how it looks. It looks like, I don't know, a shark or some sort of a tiger with these teeth. So let me turn on the lights now and see what that looks like. So here is one take with the main lights on, but the fog lights still off. And now I'll turn on the fog lights. Let's see what that looks like. With the fog lights on, super nice, super bright. That's a lot of lighting. Now the fog lights really will create that spread of light. Again, the side ones, it's mainly for the look, just a little bit of visibility with them. So I hope you've enjoyed, and leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Should I add anything else? Should I change anything? Or should I just keep going as it is? Thanks for watching, everyone. Cheers.